In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay back your margin on Robinhood. If you've ventured into the world of margin investing, you might already know the benefits it provides. It essentially allows you to borrow money to increase your investment amount, potentially boosting your returns. However, it's crucial to manage this debt wisely by repaying it on time to avoid interest fees and keep your financial strategy on track. With that in mind, let's walk through the process of paying back your Robinhood margin step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Robinhood website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for Robinhood. Once you're on the home page, which is quite inviting with its user-friendly layout, you should see the option to log in. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this Login button to access your account. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to the Robinhood homepage. This is where you can get a comprehensive overview of your investments and recent activities. The next step is to navigate to your account page. Look for the Account section, which is often represented by a small profile icon, and click on it. This will take you to the account overview where various important options are available to you. Now, within the Account section, you'll see your profile. Click on this profile option to proceed further. Once you are on your profile page, look for the Settings option. Robinhood places it conveniently for easy access, so locate it and click on Settings. The Settings page allows you to manage several aspects of your account, including privacy and investing preferences. The next crucial step involves clicking on the Investing tab within the settings. This tab is vital because it holds all the information related to your investment activities. You'll see a range of options relating to your investment account once you click into this section. Now, from within the investing options, you need to find and select the Margin Investing section. This option will provide you with detailed insight into your current margin status, how much you've borrowed, any current interest rates, and, of course, options for repayment. Following these steps carefully will guide you through the repayment process. It's quite straightforward, but always ensure your funds are available to cover the amount you're planning to repay. This methodical approach ensures you stay on top of your finances, helping you manage your investments effectively and responsibly. Remember, paying back your margin is not just about covering what you owe. It's about maintaining financial health and ensuring your investments continue to grow with minimal risk. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you in navigating your Robinhood investments smoothly.